Learn English to Gujarati weather words. Weather to.
हवामान,
Hello, Sky Detective. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati weather words without sounding like a boring forecast robot. Think of this as a mini-comedy adventure with clouds, tea, and suspiciously dramatic wind. You step outside, look at the sky, and whisper the big word first. Weather is.
हवामान,
If someone asks, how's the weather, you already have the star word.
हवामान,
Today your mission is to meet the whole weather gang, the sun,
सूर्य,
the rain,
वरसाद,
the snow,
बर्फ,
the wind,
पवन,
the cloud,
वादळ,
and two useful feelings, warm
गरम,
and cool.
ठंडू.
Congratulations, you are now officially employed by the Sky Department. Meet the weather gang. Let's meet each word like it just walked onto a stage wearing a name tag. Say each one out loud after me if you can. Weather is.
हवामान,
Think of checking the forecast before leaving home. Sun is.
सूर्य,
A giant bright lamp in the sky with no off switch. Rain is.
वरसाद,
The sky spilling water because it got emotional. Snow is.
बर्फ,
Beautiful, white, and secretly trying to freeze your toes. Wind is.
पवन,
Invisible, dramatic, and always stealing hats. Cloud is.
वादळ,
A floating sky pillow. Warm is.
गरम,
Like tea that loves you back. Cool is.
ठंडू.
Like water from the fridge on a hot day. A very serious forecast. Now enjoy a tiny story. It is educational, ridiculous, and slightly overqualified for talking about clouds. This morning, I opened the window to inspect the.
हवामान,
First I saw the.
सूर्य,
Shining like it had won an award for best glowing object. Then one lazy.
वादळ,
Drifted by as if it had nowhere important to be. Suddenly the.
पवन,
Arrived and pushed everything around like an impatient stage manager. The air turned.
ठंडू,
My tea stopped feeling.
गरम,
And I knew trouble was coming. A minute later.
वरसाद,
Began. 5 minutes after that, my imagination got dramatic and expected.
बर्फ,
2. It did not snow, but my socks still felt like they had experienced a personal tragedy. Useful mini-sentences. Here are short lines you can actually remember. Repeat them slowly and enjoy sounding smarter every minute. The weather is nice today. Today the weather is.
हवामान,
And yes, that is your key word for weather. The sun is bright. The sun is.
सूर्य,
The rain is falling. Rain is.
वरसाद,
Snow is on the mountain. Snow is.
बर्फ,
The wind is strong. Wind is.
पवन,
That cloud is dark. Cloud is.
वादळ,
The tea is warm. Warm is.
गरम,
The water is cool. Cool is.
ठंडू.
Tiny dialogue in the street. Let's make the words move. Imagine two friends outside, one prepared, one dressed like the forecast personally betrayed them. Friend A, how is the weather? Friend B, the
हवामान,
is changing fast. Friend A, I can see the sun. Friend B, yes, the
सूर्य,
is bright. Friend A, wait, is that a cloud? Friend B, yes, that
वादळ,
looks suspicious. Friend A, and now the wind. Friend B, yes, the
पवन,
is strong. Friend A, oh no, rain. Friend B, yes,
वरसाद,
is here. Friend A, why is my drink still cool? Friend B, because it is.
ठंडू.
Not magic. Friend A, I need warm tea immediately. Friend B, good idea. Make it.
गरम,
Friend A, if snow starts, I am going home. Friend B, fair.
बर्फ,
Is a lot for one afternoon. Quick quiz, no umbrella allowed. Time for a fast check. I ask, you answer. If you get one wrong, the cloud is allowed to judge you for exactly 1 second. What is the Gujarati word for weather?
हवामान,
What is the Gujarati word for sun?
सूर्य,
What is the Gujarati word for rain?
वरसाद,
What is the Gujarati word for snow?
बर्फ,
What is the Gujarati word for wind?
पवन,
What is the Gujarati word for cloud?
वादळ,
What is the Gujarati word for warm?
गरम,
What is the Gujarati word for cool?
ठंडू,
Your weather challenge. Now you do the talking. This is the moment where you become the fearless presenter of your own tiny forecast. Say this: the weather is nice. Use.
हवामान,
Say this: the sun is bright. Use.
सूर्य,
Say this: the cloud brings rain. Use.
वादळ,
And.
वरसाद,
Say this: the wind feels cool. Use.
पवन,
And.
ठंडू,
Say this: I want warm tea. Use.
गरम,
Bonus drama line. Today we have sun, cloud, wind, and rain, but thankfully no snow. That means.
सूर्य, वादळ, पवन, वरसाद,
And no.
बर्फ.
Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You learned real weather words and survived my jokes, which honestly deserves a certificate. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
हवामान, सूर्य, वरसाद, बर्फ, पवन, वादळ, गरम,
And.
ठंडू.
Out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, use them in your own mini forecast, and keep going. You are doing great.